Ready? Hello YouTube friends! This is Tiger Bomb! So I just got back from the hospital. Yeah, I had some dramatic event today because my kid apparently had concussion. Who would have thought, right? I thought it was just, for the sports player or like football player and boxers get concussion, but my kid had it, I guess. I didn't know about this until today. He just told me that he was playing Avengers with his friends and I guess he knocked himself out. And he was afraid to tell me. So anyways, I went to the hospital, and before I did, I went to the hospital, I Googled it. There's so many informations out there, but if something happens, if you guys are seeing this video, maybe you don't have to Google it, and then you can just go ahead and go to either ER or call your doctor, or you can just, make them just bed rest. Okay, so let's begin. I didn't know about the concussion until my kid actually had one. Anyone can get one. That's pretty important, I think. And 90% of most diagnosed concussions do not involve loss of consciousness. Very impressive, right? Yeah. 33% of all sports concussions happen at practice. Oh, and you might see my eyes going down because I'm reading it, okay? And 1 in 5 high school athletes will sustain a sports concussion during the season. So the first thing I learned was that I need to know my child's baseline. What is the baseline? A baseline is your child's normal behavior. Okay, so if something seems not normal like your child does, so my child, for instance, he would do his chores before I even ask him, right? But then yesterday, last night, I asked him 3 times to set the table. He did not respond. He was like, oh, okay, but then he never did it. So I had to go talk to him because, that's not how Tiger moms roll, right? And he acted like he was like a teenager, and my child behaves very well. And yesterday he was like a being pre-12-year-old teenager. So I asked my husband to talk to him, and of course my husband's so busy he can't even go and talk to him. So I did, and that's what happened. He hit his head. If you suspect that your child has concussion, assess for these signs and symptoms. Ask some simple questions even, like, who am I? Or who are you? Where are we? How old are you? Some like simple questions. Then if you know he's kind of like acting, or your child is acting a little abnormal, you can call your doctor, or you can, take him to the hospital, to ER, okay? And make sure you have an emergency contact number available. I was panicking, so I did not even remember 911. Thank you guys. Bye. This was Tiger Bomb.